Welcome friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Technical Fantasy, and in today's video I am going to explain you about Samsung inherent official feature about securing apps. Secure app lock was earlier coming with Samsung mobiles in the menu itself, but now it is not coming there, it is not open. So I will tell you some tricks and tips by which we can activate secure app lock system in Samsung Galaxy mobiles. So before proceeding further, I would like to request you kindly subscribe this channel. So not wasting much of your time, let us go to see that official feature. So go to the setting, then it will come biometric and security. Then here we are seeing that secure folder option is there. Now the installation process will start, so just agree. It will verify that it is me only, just send email, and now it will send an email. Here I have received the email, just continue. ID verified successfully. Then here it will go further again. It is taking some time. It is creating secure folder, could not complete some. We will again verify. Email has been sent. Now ID has been verified, and it will go for creating secure folder. It will take some time, so we have to wait accordingly. We have to wait to understand the whole process. It is now a secure folder has been created, and it is now asking for pattern, pin and password. Fingerprint is already added, so we will go and we will set a secure lock. Then it is small chat. Now this is creating the secure folder. Secure folder has already been created, and these folders have come in the secure folder. If we want to lock the secure folder, we have to just lock and exit. If we lock and exit, the secure folder is locked. Now we will go and see the secure folder. Secure folder is there, just go there. It is now asking app lock. So all the apps which are inside this secure folder are now locked. We can see gallery, camera. So we will go to the camera and we will just put a photo. I have taken the photo. Now we will go back. We will go to the gallery. In the gallery, that photo has come. So after creating secure lock folder, if we take any photo, that photo will come into the gallery which is inside the secure folder. So gallery, calendar, contacts, camera, internet, my files, Samsung notes all are locked. Beside that, we can also add some apps. We can download apps or Galaxy Store apps. We can add this. We can select any app and add. So this type of, and if you want to exit, just lock and exit. Now no secure folder is locked. It will not open without either finger screen or pattern. Always remember, lock and exit. If you are not locking, it will not be enabled. Your fingerprint or pattern lock will not be enabled until you lock and exit the secure folder. So this is all about today's tutorial. We have learned quickly. I can revisit the whole tutorial. Just go to the setting, biometric, and then secure folder lock. Then it will install that secure folder. It will ask for some Gmail ID or mobile ID or Samsung account, and then it will take some time and secure folder will be created. So this is all about today's tutorial. Secure app lock is an official feature of Samsung Galaxy mobile. You can use it now. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.